Imagine this. It's 10 years from now, and you're not worrying about next month's rent or constantly checking your bank balance. Instead, you've built a life of financial independence, a life of choices, because years ago, you started doing things a little differently. Pause. Simple habits repeated consistently are the secret to wealth, no matter where you're starting from. Most people dream of financial freedom, but few ever achieve it. Pause. Why? Because they don't know where to start, and they think it's complicated. But guess what? Building wealth is as much about small habits as it is about big decisions. Stay with me, and I'll walk you through 10 simple habits that will help you build wealth. Habits that anyone can start right now, including you. But don't blink, because the 9th habit is a real game changer that hardly anyone talks about. Most of us never really know where our money goes. Ever checked your bank statement at the end of the month and felt a bit shocked? Yeah, we've all been there. But here's the truth. Tracking your expenses is like turning on a flashlight in a dark room. You suddenly see clearly. Start simple. There are budgeting apps, or even a basic notebook will do the trick. If you know where every rupee goes, you'll have the power to control it. Imagine your wealth as a ship. If you don't steer it, it'll drift. Don't let your money drift. Here's one of the most powerful principles in finance. Pay yourself first before you spend on anything else. Set aside a percentage of your income for saving or investing. Think of it as securing your future first before anyone else gets a share. Quick question. If you don't save for yourself, who will? Your friends? Probably not. Remember, by treating your savings as a priority, you're setting the foundation for financial freedom. You can't build wealth by relying on leftovers. Let's be real. Financial literacy isn't taught in schools, but to grow your wealth, you have to understand the basics of money. Investing a few minutes a day and learning about budgeting, investing, and managing debt can change your entire life. Think of it like sharpening a tool. Would you rather hack at a tree with a blunt knife or a sharp one? Learning about money is sharpening that tool. Here's a habit that's not exactly glamorous, but it's essential. Living below your means doesn't mean you can't enjoy life. It means you're smart about it. Spend less than you earn so you can grow your savings. Trust me, financial independence doesn't come from a flashy lifestyle. It comes from understanding that every rupee you don't spend is one you can invest towards a better future. Life is unpredictable, and one of the quickest ways to destroy your wealth is to be unprepared for emergencies. An emergency fund is like your financial safety net, covering 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. When life throws unexpected events at you, this fund can keep you from spiraling into debt. But speaking of funds, the next habit will actually make you excited about saving. Yes, setting goals can sound cliche, but without them, you're like a ship without a destination. Want to buy a car, save for a house, build your own business, write it down, and break it into small, achievable steps. Look, you wouldn't walk to the kitchen without a purpose, so why would you manage money without a plan? With clear goals, every rupee you save or invest has a purpose, and that's powerful. Imagine this. Every month, your savings and investments automatically move from your bank account without you lifting a finger. That's the beauty of automation. It's one less decision to make and a foolproof way to stay consistent. Remember, wealth isn't about how much you save once in a while. It's about how much you save consistently. Investing is no longer just for the wealthy. Anyone can start with small amounts. Explore options like mutual funds, stocks, or even high-yield savings accounts. The sooner you start, the longer your money has to grow. And if you're thinking you'll start someday, wait till you hear what's next. They say, show me your friends and I'll show you your future. Surround yourself with people who inspire you financially. Find mentors, join financial groups, or follow creators who inspire you to be better. Your environment shapes your mindset. Be around people who talk about growth, investments, and savings. This influence alone can push you forward. And finally, the mindset that separates the wealthy from the rest, a growth mindset. Wealthy people believe they can always improve, always learn, and always get better. See every financial setback as a lesson and every win as a stepping stone. Remember, wealth isn't just built by money. It's built by the mindset that you're always growing. Now, these habits may sound simple, but that's the beauty of it. Financial freedom isn't about giant leaps. It's about small, consistent steps in the right direction. By incorporating these habits into your life, you're already setting yourself apart from most people who only dream about wealth. Want to take it a step further? Watch my next video on how to build a passive income stream in your 20s. I'll walk you through ways to make money while you sleep. Click the link on your screen now, and let's get one step closer to financial freedom.